everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? Paul didn't say two, but let's go with that. Today we are doing a unboxing. Oh, I didn't cut this last part. Okay, so everything's not right now. Alright. I have this. Have to kill it. There we go. Easy enough. Alright, can anybody explain this to me? I'm not sure I like these any better than I used to like the popcorn. There's so many of them. Watch this. Oh, no, this is going to be it. Alright, so, I don't even remember what I got all in here. So, we are going to see together. This is the most awkward box in the world. But hey, let's do this. We have the vintage truck cutout accessories. Oh no, no anymore. I need more knives. The knife I had was it's right there. I can't see anybody, so if anybody's talking to me, I won't be able to respond to y'all after the video. Like and follow Telly's Talkin' Chalk on Facebook. Check out the VIP group. Also, you can check me out on Instagram and YouTube. And check out tellystalkinchalk.ca for all my finished projects and the links to the business sites. So, everybody likes the vintage truck. I've seen so many people posting about it. So I thought I would get that and the cutouts that we have that go with it. So these are okay, I was not expecting those in there. Although I guess they should have. But these ones, we are going to put the words on. There are some words in here that we will be putting on. They're just straight blocks. The other ones that I just threw on the ground are our other cutouts that I guess you won't be seeing right now. So, too many issues going on today. Alright, thank you. So these are our little pumpkins, and then these are, I believe these are the trees. Okay, we'll see in a minute. I'm all confused. So, here is our truck. And the greatest thing about this truck is we can do it on both sides. Because just wait. I will show you something. If this doesn't fall off. Oh my gosh. Cat scan going down. We just had a cat fly across the back. She's a little jumpy today, and so she's running around. Crazy. So if you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. I will get my husband to tell me who's jumping on with us. If he sees anybody, he can yell at me and tell me. As I cannot see. I have a black screen in front of my face, so that's another reason why I probably look awkward trying to talk to everybody, because I can't actually see you. I didn't even read what I was opening. These are the bunny cutouts. Oh, these are gonna be cute. Oh my goodness. I've been wanting these since they said that we got them. So curious about these. Oh my god. That guy, I don't know if they're the same one. Both of them are. Oh no, they're different. Hey. I think I did know that, but So we got this guy. And again, we can do it on both sides. And I will show you. I think the one side would be like a plain color. And then the other side you could actually like decorate. Did I put that back in there? Yeah, I did. Okay. I was like, did I get two or did I put it back? I thought they actually came in sets of two, but a lot of the things do come in sets of two. Clearly not that one. Oh, I just had a hard failure. That was not nice. Alright, so. Oh, our new paste is in. I'm so excited. So these came in a pack. If you joined Club Couture, you can grab one of the 2 packs that we have. I thought I had both, but maybe I didn't. So, grab yourself one of them. But first you have to join Club Couture. And if you want to know more about Club Couture, #club in the comments. Oh, I should read you what colors these are. And my mother's calling me. So we've got the Couture Teal, which is good because I'm running low. Raspberry Sorbet. Black Velvet. Daffodil, which I don't have. Bright White. And Eucalyptus, which is one of the newer colors. I won't go through all of that. That's just my receipt telling me all of what I got and making sure I got everything. And my Club Couture came in with this order, which is awesome. I'm just checking all of the ins and outs of this box because they like to hide stuff in it. I think that's good, but we'll double check that in a minute. Alright, so I will show you the Club Couture in a minute. This one is My Whole Heart for My Whole Life. This one is just called My Whole Heart. It says both on it, but that's the one. Put them back in as we go. This is What I Love Most, which is probably upside down on you, or sideways at that point. I then have, these are big ones. Oh, so this is one I wanted to get for a friend of mine that's getting married. So this is Made for Each Other. It's a big one. These are big ones. I can't tell if you can see it all, but. Then we have. Oh, is that the one I double ordered? That's funny. I really wanted that one clearly for my friend. So, if you want one, if you know of somebody that's getting married, I got an extra. It happens. That's why you really need to check off in your book which ones you've got. Because I just go on a clicking spree because I think they're cute. So this is Welcome Autumn, Over the River and Through the Woods, Loads of Love, Farmers. Oh, this is because of those blocks that I was showing you. I was reading this and I was like, why is this? So this is what we can put on the back of the vintage truck. I feel very frantic right now, and it's really not feeling nice. No, I think it's because I got all startled in the beginning, and then now Mom's called, and I'm like, I gotta get through all of this. Oh, here, yay, bunnies! Bunnies will calm anybody down. Except when I'm losing my mind. But bunnies, that's gonna be fun. I think we're gonna do those ones next. And then this is the vintage truck, which I know I always show things in backwards order. So I show you do the add-ons, And now I'm showing you the actual truck transfer. Alright, so last but not least, what we are going to be looking at is the club tour. Again, hashtag club in the comments if you want to know about club or join club. I think this one is the one that I just saw this morning. I don't know if I posted about it. No, this is this. This is not. So, it's the Wild and Free March Club Couture. You can still get that if you sign on today. Isn't it super cute? But that's all I have for you today. Let me know in the comments which one you want us to do first. I'm partially going either the Wild and Free or the bunnies. You let me know, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.